Thank you for my police car. I love you. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Hello everyone. Welcome to Wiley's Playground. What do? Unboxing. Unboxing. Unboxing.
So, are you ready to unbox your toys?
Yeah.
Who gave you that?
Lola Gemma.
What will you say to Lola Gemma?
Thank you, Lola Gemma.
Alright, so let's open the box. I will just help you.
What's inside?
Let's see.
See?
Show them your toy. What's this?
Police.
Police.
Look at that.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. What's inside the box? Is it a surprise for me? Surprise for me.
Here's what's inside the box. Look, this is a police alloy car.
I like
Alloy.
her.
What? How old are you? This is for 3 years old and above. How old are you?
3 us in the box.
Okay, here's now what's inside the toys. Wow. Boom! It fell down. Okay. Okay, so ito po yung naman ng toys.
Yeah.
And so Riley, can you introduce it to them? You sit down properly. Come on, show it to them.
Ooh.
What is this, Riley? What's that?
What? Got this.
What is this? Let me see. Wow! This is for police city fire. Look.
What now?
I'll show it to them. What else? What else?
How about that?
This one.
What that?
Wow. Let me see. This one. Look. And that. Okay, another one.
That one.
Which one?
That one.
Ooh. Look.
About that one.
Get it. Oh, what is this, Riley?
What the?
That's a... What's that? A helicopter. What is that?
What that?
Paano mag-fly? Shh. How? Show me how to fly the helicopter. How to fly this one? Please. Riley, look at this. What else?
That one.
Okay, another.
Fire truck.
Yes, this is a fire truck. Look at this one. A fire truck. Eee, what's the sound of a fire truck? Wow, look.
What's that?
Which one? This one? Or this one? What's this, Riley?
What that?
Wow, look at this, Riley. Look at this.
What that? What that?
Look at this. What is this? Whoa.
The car.
It's a car. And another one. This is for
Another boat.
another boat. Let me see the boats. Let me see, Riley. How many boats do you have?
2.
You count?
1, 2.
Let me see. Let me see. Look.
Who doesn't know?
1, 2.
What that?
How many?
2
2. What is this?
boats.
2 boats.
What that? What that? What that?
This one is a pickup truck. Is it a pickup truck?
Yeah, pick up.
Is it?
Yeah. I
Wow.
want that one pickup truck also.
Oh, here. What else? Another pickup truck?
Yeah.
Let me see.
There's more. Pickup.
How many pickups do you have?
2 pickup.
Can you count?
1,
Where's the other? 1.
2 pickup.
Wow. That's awesome. Next. What's next? Let me see.
What that?
What's this? A car.
What?
A police car.
What that?
That's also a car. Oh, what's that, Riley?
It's a police car. What that? What that?
Wow.
Car. Look.
Let me see. Wow.
What that? What that?
This is an armored car. Is this an armored car?
Yeah.
Armored car, yeah. Comment down below. What is this? Okay, next.
Armor. What? It's a police car also? That's hard. Hey! That's too hard. That's too hard. That's it. Oh, it's a motorcycle. Mommy, I want to push it.
Okay. There you go. Oh, what is this?
Police car.
So how many police cars you have right now? Can you show it to them?
Look.
Look, this is a police car. And where's the other police car? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Are you very, very happy? You play with your cars na. Wow. Let me see. Is that the sound of a helicopter?
Yeah.
Yeah. How about the other
There's a
toys?
fire.
Can I see the other toys? Oh, wow. Okay, now the car. What's the sound of a car?
Go.
How about the police city fire truck?
See the fire truck.
Yes.
How about the police boat? See the sound?
Yes.
You want to say pig? I want to say baka tomorrow. Our car can also worry. Who the word car tank. It's a word car tank. Word car tank.
What's that?
Rescue helicopter.
Where is the police car?
There.
Wow, is that the police car?
What's the event fire truck?
Where is it?
There. Are they doing the what? The other doing the ladders. They're using the giant ladder. Let's go.
How many armored car do you have?
2.
Counts?
1, 2.
How many police vehicle do you have right now? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's more. 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
How many cars do you have?
13.
Yay! Are you happy?
Thank you for my police car. I love you. Please subscribe. Like the ground. Please subscribe. Bye bye.